Oh, the best part of the tree is way up on top, huh? How are you getting down? Enjoy your breakfast. So let's enjoy this hotel room. I'm gonna enjoy this hotel. I don't relax much. Let's give it a shot. Alright, a story. I have to tell you a story. A story of how I'm grounded at my hotel. It's not a bad thing because it's a very nice hotel. I've been very busy all week long. I did want to see this island though. And I don't know how to see an island on any other terms. Translation, a driver, a bus. I'm just not doing that because they take you to where everybody is. The Greece government has cracked down and they now require an international driver's license. And just because it's newly enacted, they're pulling over a lot of people and it is extremely expensive. Driving permit. Now required to rent cars in Greece. It's crazy because it happened while I was here. You know, I was okay earlier in the week, but now it's in force. So anyway, I probably should have had one anyway. It doesn't take much to get one. When I get back, that's what we're gonna work on. Now, if you're headed here and you watch my travel videos, this is something you need to do before you come. Get an international driver's license. If you don't even have to be a member to go to AAA, or you can go online and get it. It is just, honestly, it's not a test. It's just a piece of paper in the languages that the officers and car rental people can understand. It's a technicality. Anyway, but I don't have one, but I'm gonna get one. Just not on this trip. The fact is, just sitting in the hotel room, I'm so happy. It doesn't make good content, but I'm so happy. So this is where we're going here. We're just gonna roam around here. Oh, I love it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. All right, thank you. The best.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, look what we got here, folks. Listen, coffee is so strong, they have to give you water with it. This came with it. Oh, paint. Thanks, Claire, for the coffee. Diary of a 40-something who says, this is a great idea. You are literally my favorite YouTuber. Oh my God, thank you so much. It's a big universe out there. So your videos are so emotive and inspirational. Who knew? And it's my pleasure to give a little something back to you and enjoy your coffee. That's awesome. All right. So, you know what? Thank you. Oh, we got a winner. Oh, we got a winner. Yo, that wasn't just a good one, that was a great one. All right? So, thanks, Claire. And if you would like to buy me a double espresso or a chocolate croissant, look at the description and find the link. I want you to be able to look. All right. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Let's just take time out to talk for a second. You know, I'm no stranger to haircuts, and one of my favorite things to do when traveling, I love to get a haircut. I love when language is a barrier. I love, first of all, you can't mess me up. That being said, I gotta say, I just had a bona fide, legit, quality haircut experience. Has enlightened me about this day. Listen, obviously not the best content, probably won't edit to the best vlog, but it has been a unique experience for me to actually stop. And you ready for this? Yeah. Relax. To not seek anything that isn't in front of me. To relax, to take care of yourself, to be a little indulgent, and to enjoy. Probably not, this probably won't edit to the best vlog, but it was a pretty darn good day.